Hi there, it's Lucia from Plato's Closet, Waterloo. Did you know that we no longer use or offer single-use plastic bags in our stores? That's right, we're going even greener in 2020. Every second, 160,000 single-use plastic bags are being used around the world. That's every second. The energy it takes to make just 12 of those bags could be used to drive a car 1 mile. But those plastics never biodegrade, they never go away, and they're harmful to us, marine life, and the environment, and they're really only used on average for about 12 minutes. So we want to make it easy for you to help with this problem by shopping at Plato's Closet, Waterloo. We know that a lot of you leave Plato's Closet with some really awesome stuff, and we know that you already recycle your style, but why not recycle your bags too? We all have a lot of old clothes lying around. Did you know that the average person throws away 80 pounds of clothes every year that end up in landfills? We want to help you solve that problem by recycling your clothes. One way you can do that is by recycling an old t-shirt into a bag. So your first step is going to be finding a t-shirt, which you can get at Plato's Closet for 70% less than the retail price. For our next step, you're going to be cutting a hole right here at the top, and that's going to be the top of our bag. Next step is going to be cutting along here so that we have a place for the handles of the bag. The next step is going to be cutting fringe along the bottom. The bottom of the bag for me is going to be right here. So I'm going to cut up to that point. Okay. So at this point, you can turn your shirt inside out. The next step is to be tying each of these together. They each have a pair because we cut them in pairs, and now we're going to tie them together. So we've done the first row, and if you look, there's still some holes. So we're going to be doing a second. And that's when you're going to start mixing up the knots. So you take one strand from the second knot and tie it to the knot next to it. You take the other strand and tie it to the other knot next to that. And you do that down the whole thing.
Reusing items is always more sustainable than buying brand new. It takes almost 2,000 gallons of water to make just one pair of brand new blue jeans.
And now you can turn your bag right side out. So, there you have it. And that's how you can make your very own reusable t-shirt bag. At Plato's Closet, we won't leave you bagless. You can buy your own for $2, a reusable one, or you can bring in your own and show us. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we can't wait for you to go green with us in 2020. Please feel free to like and share this video to spread the word on sustainable shopping at Plato's Closet Waterloo near the Crossroads Center Mall or by Marcus Crossroads Theater.